on backwards.
What?
Your apron.
Go ahead. Hey!
Flip it around, honey.
Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. It's here at SLB where we aim to deliver amazing cocktails that are not only delicious, but extremely approachable. That's the goal of the show. So if this is something you're looking for, please do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. We'd certainly appreciate it. Once you've done that, hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single episode. Feel free to comment below. We'll read every one of them and we'll do what we can to accommodate. Today is an SLB first as far as the video is concerned. Usually, to be truthful, I'm not comfortable with recording a video with any cocktail that I haven't mixed, tweaked a little bit, and given my A-OK as far as what I feel is something that's going to be good for the people that are watching the video. I saw this recipe on one of my cocktail clubs that I am involved with on Facebook, and it looked really good. And it's a cocktail called the Gypsy. Now, to be 100% truthful, I have never mixed this cocktail. I've never tasted this cocktail. So we're going to get started on this Gypsy. We're going to put in, we're going to drop in 1.5 ounces of gin. Today we're using Plymouth Gin. I like Plymouth Gin quite a bit when I'm mixing with anything citrus. Just seems like everything goes really well together. So we've got 1.5 ounces of Plymouth Gin, 3/4 ounce of elderflower liqueur. I love elderflower liqueur. It's a bit sweet, but I dig it. After this elderflower liqueur, we're going to put in 1/2 ounce of this green Chartreuse, very herbal liqueur. 1/2 ounce green Chartreuse. We're going to put 1/2 ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. And also 1/2 ounce simple syrup. Put some ice in the tin. We'll give it a shake. Should do it. Alright, I've got a cocktail coupe waiting in the wings. Give this a double strain. Looks good. Alright, I do not have a garnish prepared for this cocktail simply because I've never tasted it. A lot of times when I prepare garnishes and I use garnishes, I kind of envelope that with what the flavor of the cocktail is. But let's give this a try, see what we have. My wife always gets on me because I take 2 drinks to test it. To be honest, I wouldn't put it in my top 10. It is good, but you get a lot of herbal flavor coming from this green Chartreuse. If I mix it again and if I try to tweak it again, I would probably use the yellow Chartreuse because that's a little bit more bland of an herbal flavor than this green Chartreuse. I love the elderflower that's coming through. I'm a huge fan of gin. That's not an issue. Lime juice. Simple syrup kind of evens everything out. I think the approachability of the cocktail, the way it's presented, is good. It's just a little bit heavy on the herbal notes. So if you're going to try it at home, maybe try it with the yellow Chartreuse or try it as is. If you prefer a lot of herbal notes in your cocktail, this would be fantastic. So that's the Gypsy, and that's my thoughts on it, and I hope you enjoyed the show. We sure appreciate you watching. Appreciate you. I appreciate you. I do appreciate you. So that's the Gypsy cocktail, and that's my take on the flavors of the cocktail. I sure appreciate you watching. So that's the Gypsy cocktail, and that's my take on it. I sure appreciate you watching the show. Thank you so much. You can find us on Facebook at SLB, Basement Bourbon Bar. We are also on Instagram at SLB Drinks. As always, please drink responsibly. See ya. What the flim flam is going on?